Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one takes us all the way back to 1964, and a song from a band called the Swingin' Blue Jeans. The song's called You're No Good, which was a big hit for them at that time. So I'm going in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the Swingin' Blue Jeans. Okay. I'm going to go through the intro, the first verse and the first chorus for you, and then I'll break it down and show you exactly how I played it, and you will be good to go. There's nothing else in the song, it just repeats verses and choruses, okay, which are the same as what I'm about to show you with different words, okay. So let's get to it. My singing as usual for reference only, and then I shall break it down for you, okay. Here we go. Feeling better cause I'm over you. I learned my lesson, left a scar, and now I see how you really are. You're no good, no good, baby, you're no good. I'm gonna say it again, you're no good, you're no good, you're no good, baby, you're no good. Off into another verse and another chorus, and that's all there is in it, okay. So let's break it down for you. It starts off with this build up to a D minor, and I'm playing D minor on the 5th fret bar, okay, bar, minor shape, and a little lead up to it. You can play it in different ways. I was playing it that way, 5th fret on the bottom E string, 3rd fret on the 5th string, and then the 4th fret of the 5th string. Okay, so, and then what was I doing? Forming the D minor and hitting that 5th fret of the 5th string, the root note of the D minor, and then strumming, okay? Got that? Alright. The other ways of playing it, you could play it as an open A string, and then into it. It's exactly the same but a different way of playing it. I was playing it that way, there's that way. Or if you want it really easy, you play the, okay, or you could actually just play the open D string afterwards as well. Do it that way, okay, rather than hitting that note as part of the chord. Got that? You could do it that way. So it's that open 5th string, 3rd on the 5th, 4th on the 5th, open D string, 4th string, and then into the D minor. Okay, that sort of thing. Or you could just play it the way I did and actually hit that note yourself as part of the chord. It's up to you, okay? Easy peasy, okay? So when you've got, if I do it the easier way, and then you go to a G chord, 3rd fret bar chord, G chord, so it's, and then you're sort of down, up on the D, back to the D minor, down, up, and then a single A7th, that's an A chord, 5th fret bar chord with a pinky off, okay? So then the whole intro is, so far, an easy way of playing it. And then you just repeat it. Just 2 lots of that, okay? And then you've got the intro sorted, okay? So once again, very, very slowly. Okay, and then it goes into the verse, which is just D minor to G all the time, right? Feeling, so D minor, G, okay? Feeling better, now we're through. Feeling better cause I'm over you. Okay, so it's just D minor to G. Feeling better cause I'm through. Feeling better cause I'm over you. Okay, then we go up to a B flat chord. 6th fret bar chord, major shape, okay? I've learned my, and then up 2 frets to a C, 8th fret bar chord, major shape, okay? So we've got 6th fret B flat, 8th fret, C. Okay, so far we've got this. Right, here we go. Here we go. Feeling better, now we're through. Feeling better, cause I'm over you. B flat, I've learned C my lesson. It's F left. The scar. F bar chord, 1st fret. Okay? So, left the scar. And what I'm doing now is I'm playing the D minor here. Because I want to go to an E7th afterwards. You can do an E7th up here, but it's an inside chord. I don't want to mess people around too much, so I can make it as easy as possible. So a D minor down here, and then an E7th. So it's an E chord, E major chord without that 3rd finger. Open 4th string, yeah? And then up to an A7th, on an A7th, 5th fret, A major chord, pinky off, yeah? So it goes, where it goes, my lesson, left a scar, D minor, and now I, E7th, C, how you, A7th, really are, you know, good. And then it goes back to D minor for the chorusy bit, okay? So this whole verse, then let's go for that, up to that point where it goes into the chorus, okay? So here we go, slowly. Feeling better, now we're through. Feeling better, cause I'm over you. I've learned my lesson, left the scar, and now I see how you really are, you know. That's as far as we got. Back to D minor to G again. Good, you know good, you know good, baby you know good. Keep going. Good again, you know good, you know good, you know good, baby you know good. So that whole chorus is just D minor to G, back again, D minor G, D minor G. Okay, so you'll know. So coming out of that, the lead up to it, the pre-chorus sort of thing. I've learned my lesson. F, it's a scar, D minor, and now I, E7th, A7th, really, D minor to G. You know good, you know good, baby you know good. I'm gonna say it again, you know good, you know good, you know good, baby you know good. Broke her heart, and so on, gentle and true, etc, etc. Okay, another verse, another chorus. Okay, so there you have it. Thanks very much for listening and watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.